video I'm going to show you that if you want to create a nice golden black smoky eye, then what are the eyeshadows you might use. And also guys, I have used a MAC eyeshadow, and if you don't want to buy a MAC eyeshadow, it is perfectly alright, because instead of that you can obviously go with the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bold Gold. Now I've already made another video on golden smoky eye, but then I used sparkles for that look, and I know sparkles are a lot crazy, like they go here and there, and it is really very difficult to work with sparkle glitters. So I thought of using powder eyeshadows or compact eyeshadows for creating a nice golden smoky eye. And so yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
So for my primer, I use the L'Oreal Base Magique primer, and if you are somebody who has a very oily skin, this primer is going to work wonders for you. And if you're a dry skin person, you need to apply a moisturizer before this step. Next, for the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I am in the shade 140. And if you want to know further details of any product, I'm going to write it down in the bottom description box below. Next, for highlighting my face, I use the PAC Contour and Highlight palette in number 01, and I took the first shade, which looks like kind of banana powder color shade. I applied it as my highlighter, and for contouring I took the last shade of the palette, which is a deep dark brown color, and I used that as my contouring shade. And for blending everything in, I use this PAC Beauty Blender, which works like a miracle. Next, I use the same damp beauty blender to apply this loose powder. This one's from Coty Espan in translucent extra coverage, and using loose powder with a damp beauty blender works like miracle, guys. Next, as a lip balm, I again used my DIY lip balm, and to blend everything in, I used a face powder brush. Now for my eyebrows, I use this Miss Claire eyebrows pencil, and this is in deep brown shade, and I love this pencil because it comes with a brush and it helps in easily blending the color all over my brows. Next, I'm priming my eyelid with the same contour palette from PAC, and I took the highlighter shade or the first shade from the palette, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid and a little bit on the bottom of my eyelid. Now to set it in, I'll be using the Espan powder with which I had set my face with.
Next, I'm going to take this eyeshadow from the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'll be applying it on all over my eyelids. Now you can use any color which is very near to your skin tone, and you can apply it as a base. So now that I did it, I'm going to use a transitional color to go above my crease line area, and I'm again going to use the same palette, and I'll be taking this shade right over here, this matte brown shade. Next, I'm going to apply this shade from MAC. It's the shade in Gold Mine, and it's a very pure golden shade like this. I'm going to apply it onto my eyelids. Now this color is not that pigmented, so I'm going to spritz a little bit of water onto my brush, and then I'll be applying it onto my eyelid. brown shade, and this is from Dior, and this is in the shade Panama. I hope I'm pronouncing it that correct. Anyways, so I'm going to take this Dior brown color eyeshadow, and you can take any eyeshadow, any brown eyeshadow. It's not mandatory that I'm taking Dior, so you have to take Dior. So I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take a plain blending brush and blend out the edges of the brown shadow. I'll try to take the brown shadow a little bit underneath my eyes as well. And I'm going to take the black shadow from the Maybelline Nudes palette only. So it has got a nice matte black eyeshadow over here, so I'm going to take this shade and I'll be applying it onto the edges of my eyes. So I'll slowly try to build up the color. I'm taking the color a little bit underneath my eyes as well. Now to highlight underneath my eyebrows in a corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this shade over here, this pretty champagne shade. I'll be lining my eyes with the L'Oreal Paris Super Liner, and this is a gel liner, so I'll quickly line my eyes, apply my mascara, and I'll come back. Now let me remind you guys that the gel liner which I used was from L'Oreal, and this was in the shade Chic Brown, and I applied it as my eyeliner as well as my kajal. And for my mascara I used this Bonjour Paris the High Volume Cream Mascara, which looks like this. And now I'll be going on to my blush and my highlighter. Now for my blush I'll be using the blush from Cal, and this is in the shade Pink Champagne. I'm going to use this Pack Baked highlight in number 01, and I'll be highlighting the higher points of my face. I'm going to use this Color Bar lipstick. This is their Kiss Proof Lip Stain in Palm Beach. Today guys, I hope you guys have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, do like this video, do share this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Till then, take care and God bless you. Bye.